All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and it's going to be a quick one today. We're just going to take a quick look at some straps, but I got to admit, they're from BluShark. And BluShark is one of the very first companies I've ever worked with here on the channel. Joe over there is a really good guy. I fell in love with BluShark straps. Actually, it was the very first NATO strap I tried when I really got back into watches here a few years ago. They're just standard BluShark NATO strap. They were shark straps back at the time. They're just standard they're just standard NATO strap was just really way beyond anything I had tried before. Joe had picked out a really good material, and I'm always excited to show his straps on the channel. If you guys aren't aware of BluShark straps, if you've ever had the seatbelt style straps or the seatbelt weave straps, as far as I know, Joe was the very first person that ever came up with that concept. He basically, contracted to have those materials made into straps, and now pretty much everyone out there does it. But BluShark was always ahead of the curve on that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and open the box. I did cut the tape here so we can just open it up. Now I think these are all some brand new straps that Joe has brought out in the lineup. So we'll go ahead and just take them out of here and take a look at them. I did go to the website and I didn't see these particular models. So what I think you have here is these are single pass straps, which I have to admit, I am a huge fan of the single pass NATO. Now, if I'm saying that wrong, and it's actually a style, I'm not sure if that's like an RAF strap or exactly, no, I don't think so, but just these single pass NATO straps are so comfortable. As a matter of fact, more often than not, I actually remove that second layer on a NATO strap and just go with a single pass NATO like this. So there's a couple different colors in here. This appears to be maybe a 20 millimeter. I love the material on here. It almost looks like elastic, so we'll get it out of there and see if it is, but I don't think it is. I think it's just that weave is a really cool weave with that simple black stripe up the middle. This one appears to be probably a 22 millimeter in a nice navy color, which looks really good. Again, single pass. And this, I can't really tell exactly what this is. Definitely has some rally strap look to it. It looks like it's rubber by looking at the side there. Definitely cool two-tone colors going on. It does appear that it's going to be using quick release straps. So let's go ahead and just open this one up first and take a peek at what we have here. So this one's different than the other two, being that it's a two-piece strap. Appears to be rubber. Yeah, definitely rubber strap. So, ooh, nice looking strap here. These ones I did see on the website, so I'm not sure if this particular model is available yet, but I did see that they had silicone rally straps on the site. This is a really nice looking strap. It's got this darker level over the top of rubber, which gives it that perforated view of this lighter color here. Definitely cool. You've got that stitching all the way along there. You can see it actually goes through the rubber. I think it's really neat when they actually use stitching on rubber straps. There's just something cool and different about it. You get that neat stitching effect of leather, but it's a strap that you can wear swimming, wear it in the ocean and whatnot. This is a really good looking piece. I love this strap. I love the way this cutout here up the center for the buckle. It's going to make it wear much more comfortable. Also make it breathe really well. It's a good looking strap. I'm super excited to check these out. We'll find a watch to put these on here in just a minute. Very nice that they've included that, or he's included those quick release pins there. This one is obviously in 20 millimeter. You can see it's labeled right up there at the top. So pretty cool, pretty cool. So that's the one strap. Let's go ahead and open one of these other ones down here. And this is going to be a NATO, single pass NATO strap. So we'll go ahead and get this out of the package and take a look at it. It's funny, it's got a little bit of a curve to it, and I'm pretty sure that curve happens when they put that. Oh, this is actually stretchy material. That's really cool. I did not realize that. So this is going to be your elastic, I guess, kind of like your RAF style, but you get the buckle. So that's going to be a super comfortable strap there. I mean, this is going to be great for wearing for workouts and whatnot. I mean, I like this strap. This is definitely a different look, different feel. It's going to stretch on you throughout the day, so this will be neat. We'll get this one on a watch. Joe's using the floating keepers up here, which is always a bonus, especially when you're tucking material back under there. And let's go ahead and get this last one out of here. And I think this is maybe a standard style NATO. I don't know, maybe it's a stretchy material too. Go ahead and get this one out of the packaging. Check it out. And yep, it's the same material. So this one is blue, navy blue. It appears to be a 22 millimeter. So he's coming out with these single pass elastic straps, which are pretty neat. I mean, these are going to be handy and useful. Of course, you get the signed hardware on here, the stainless steel brushed hardware on here. Joe's pretty much gone to this premium style hardware on all of his buckles unless you're buying the round style hardware, which is he offers also. But these are nice looking straps. I'm not exactly sure what they're going to cost. Joe's usually pretty reasonable over at the site. So these look cool. I'm going to go ahead and pause it for a second. And we'll get these straps on some watches and see what they look like. I want to get them on the wrist too, see how they feel. So here is my ever-trusting Orient Mako. And this strap looks really good on the Mako. Definitely a good looking strap. I love that two-tone color. I love the way it's cut out here for the rally portion. This strap looks great on this watch. As a matter of fact, let's put it on the wrist. I haven't tried it on to see how it feels. There's a lot of room on here, as you guys can see, so this is probably going to fit you bigger wrists out there, bigger wristed guys. Nice, comfortable. You can see how much extra I have there. I have a 7-inch wrist, and I'm basically at the end of this. So if you guys have a 7.5, 8-inch wrist, maybe even a little bit bigger than that, you're going to be able to wear this strap. No problem. You know, I've worn a lot of silicone straps, you know, your $18 to $20 straps, and they're really nice. This is beyond. This is a really super premium strap. The stitching is really nice. The double layer is absolutely spectacular looking. I think it looks really good on this watch. Definitely a step up, especially for the Orient Mako here, the Mako 2. So that looks good. Let me go grab a couple other watches so we can see what these elastic ones look like on the watches. All right, so I grabbed some watches with some matching colors just to match up with the straps. We have the Orient Ray Raven. This is the version 1. This is a modded watch. CG, over at CG Watch Fam, put this watch together for me way long time ago when she was doing her YouTube channel. Always miss her channel, but looks cool here on this strap. Of course, if I was going to do a black case, I'd do black hardware, but this is what I had sitting out here in the office. And then I put on this one, on the black and gray, I've got the SND, this little Seiko SND 253P1. This is kind of what I call the reduced flighty from Seiko. So let's go ahead and just see what one of these looks like on the wrist. I haven't felt one on the wrist, so I'd kind of like to get an idea of how it feels on the wrist. Was wearing the green Sumo there today. As you guys can see, it sitting in the background. A very fun watch to wear. Love that green color on the watch. As I bash the camera there, knock you guys in the face. So look at this. So they really fit well. And like I said, the floating keeper is a big plus when you have these straps, because you can tuck the material back down underneath, and you can move this keeper. As you see, I can slide it up so it actually captures that extra material for the NATO strap as you fold it back under. Now, I got this on a little too tight, but even having it a little too tight, it's very comfortable because you have this elastic material. I definitely like the way this feels. Now, I don't have it, you know, tucked in just the way I would probably want it all the time, but definitely a good feeling material on the watch. This rubber material or this stretchy elastic is always super comfortable in a watch strap. I tend to like it on lighter straps. It seems like when you wear more of a bigger, top heavy watch, the watch can move around a little bit because it flexes the material, but this one looks really good. Let's go ahead and throw the Raven, the modified Raven on the wrist, see what that looks like. All right, and there is the Ray, or what the heck? Raven, the modified Raven from Orient. So cool watch, definitely wears well. Like I said, if I had a black case on a watch like this, I would probably get black hardware. I'm not sure if they're offering it, but the blue matched the bezel so good, I just kind of had to have it on this watch. So these are the new straps from BluShark. Definitely check them out, guys. I've always have had links to BluShark watches on my videos up at the top. There's either a main link you can always find, or down in the description you'll always find a watch or a link to BluShark straps. They always make really high quality products. There's tons and tons of straps, NATO straps and whatnot, 2-piece straps, canvas, quick release over at the website. Definitely get on over there and check them out, guys. This has been another BluShark strap review here on the OFD channel. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.